Today, it's a new video. Why? You will say, what is this? This is as you see, it's a Fantasy Riders cards. So we're gonna open and find some beautiful cards, as you see. And I was just back from school. I look better with that, I know. So here we have this thing over here called Oni, and this thing over here, this looks like a jaguar, and a black wolf, but a really black one. And this type of dinosaur that it's half robot, and this big guy that wants to eat something. Oh no, he wants to eat a little sword. And the thing that it's a bird, a golden bird. And there's this miss. Her name is Tilkrata. And there's this girl that she's beautiful. Nah, she's not that beautiful. Just look at this. No, you can see her. Just look at her face. Look at her face. She's gonna kill you. And then, oh, here we go with the best one. As you see, this has over here gold. That means he's a golden card. A lot of my friends from school have it. Well, have goldens. Here we start with the best one. So over here we got a mega that it's a golden one. And it's limited edition. We have here another of limited edition. I cut it from here a little bit. And this, I found it on eBay. And this is new. I fucking got a new card. These are my first ones. Well, they're not that first. Because I had some 5 before. And I had another mega, and the other 5 cards are last. Oh my fucking god. Just look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that, guys. Look at that. Gold. Golden. It's a golden one. Oh my god. This is a plate one, I think, or plata, or I don't know. This is a bronze one. A bronze. You can see it. I don't think you can see the bronze thing. Over here we have a golden one. Another golden. And here we have another golden. It's a mega this time. Mega. Oh my gosh. This is one of the best. A plate. Another one. We have this Platino. And this one. That gives one more of attack. Oh, one more of defense. So, I know the video was a little boring, so I'm gonna give you this, or I'm gonna show you what's in this diary. I have this thing that I did this in school. I did another one this one, it's a lot bigger, pretty big. If you don't see here, there's a bow and arrow, an axe, and pad, crossbow, and a little pistol. I don't know, I forgot what, oh yeah, this was the things like this. I can see you through this. Okay, get out of my, I did nothing. And over here I have a gas mask, a knife, a backpack, a sledgehammer, a little hammer, a flashlight, lockpick, a Molotov, a pretty cool gun, a medkit, another medkit, a bat, a talkie-walkie. I think this is a phone, a revolver, a sniper. This is an absurd shotgun. This is money. And this a little car. One more. That's all. That's all I have. Oh my god. Here I have a medkit and a Molotov. Here there's something. This guy, one grabs a flower and he farts. He's like, did I really fart? Yes, you did, mister. And this is from my school. They gave us to write. This was like schoolwork. More schoolwork. Don't want to see the schoolwork. Hey, get out. We have here this gun. This guy with a revolver that I did. And there's a hand. Get out. R.I.P. That's all. My headphones when I play, my mouse, still on. Nine and 3 minutes of recording. Hope you like this part. Thingy of this. My sister crying. She's still crying. She's still crying. Dun, dun, dun. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Fantasy Riders cards, Dragon Ball Super, and Pokemon cards, and more stuff of my diary. I'm gonna show you my house. Who didn't start that video? I'm gonna re-show my house. You know what? No need to. I've already did a video. Oh my god. The thing. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. almost died. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye,